today I'm going to show you how to bake lava cake. Is my favorite thing. Let's start. First, you need to grease the containers with some butter. Then you need to pour some chocolate powder. Look, this is how it looks like. Done. Next, you need to melt this butter and chocolate. Okay. Into this pot. I think I need a little bit more. I think I'm done. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is. While the chocolate melts, let's mix the eggs, the flour, and sugar inside here. Look, this is how they look like. So take this and then pour it in. After this, let's stir it around. Okay, now let's check out the egg. This is how it looks like. And let's switch on the oven now into 200 degrees. Let's check out the chocolate now. Okay, that means it's not done yet. Melting. Okay, I think now chocolate has melted. Let me check. Yes, it is. Let me tell my mommy that it's finished. Now, since the chocolate cooled down, I'm going to show you how it looks like. This is how it looks like now. And I'm going to show you how to pour this in. Then remember I showed you this bowl. Let me pour the egg and flour inside now. Oh yeah, I forgot to stir a little bit. Actually, no, a little bit. Wow, it's quite blackish now. It smells like lava cake. And I ate lava cake before. And this is my first time baking it all by myself. Okay, now it's ready to get put inside the containers. The chocolate thing. It's quite heavy. I'm done. It's a mess. Okay, now you need to bake the lava cake for 11 minutes. Now the lava cake is out, so let's try it. Now let's put icing sugar on the lava cake for it looks prettier and nicer. Let's eat now. I can't wait to eat it. Wow, this lava. Delicious. I hope you join me cooking some other food. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave some comments. Bye!